The new Samsung Galaxy S24 phone has a problem where a green line appears on the screen. People who bought the phone early in the US and India are noticing this problem. Now, more reports are saying that many phones have this issue. People who bought the new Samsung Galaxy S24 in the US and India are facing a problem with their screens. They're seeing a green line on them. More people online are talking about this issue, which seems to be a significant problem. Instead of just a single green line, the whole OLED screen seems to be messed up. A video on X shows this discoloration. Luckily, the person's S24 Ultra started working again after they restarted it 4 times. It looks like a software bug, not the hardware issue. According to Ian, thank God, after the 4th restart, it finally came back. Still damn scared it'll come back though. Many of the people also start saying in the comments that the display of the phone is broken because a scratch can be seen on the screen. But I think it's only a scratch. The display is completely fine. Also, Anne said, it's crazy how many people are saying he must have dropped his phone, his screen is scratched. Definitely physical damage. 1. I've never dropped the phone, haven't even been using it much. 2. I've done a separate post on how I scratched it. 3. So are y'all saying that Samsung phones are not durable? These kinds of reports could hurt Samsung's big plan to ship 13 million phones in the first quarter alone. Even though Samsung is offering good support and replacements, it's still disappointing for customers. They expect a great experience with their phone, not trips to the service center. Recently, we saw posts on Reddit and Samsung forums, 3 Galaxy S24 Ultra users face green line display issue. Many users of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are experiencing frustrating issues with their phone screens, such as thin green and white lines. Despite trying troubleshooting steps like restarting and resetting the phone, the problem persists, indicating it's a hardware issue, not a software bug. Users turn to Samsung for help, but the company's response has been disappointing, with some being told to return the phone and repurchase it, losing any pre-order discounts. Additionally, Samsung directed unhappy customers to contact T-Mobile, even though the phones were purchased through Samsung's website. This slow response and lack of adequate support from Samsung are concerning for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, highlighting the need for better customer service and resolution of hardware issues. What about the update? We have some information about the new update of Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the new firmware of Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be released after the Spring Festival in China. I think it will take about 10 days. This update will bring better cameras. One thing is missing here. According to Ice Universe, this update will bring better cameras. He didn't talk about other issues like screen, battery, and performance issues. Also, we have an exciting news from the prolific tipster and leakster Tyron Vats. A recent report indicates that a new One UI 6.1 build, upgraded from AX A7 to AX AB, is currently undergoing testing on the server. The build version can be found in Tyron Vats' tweet. This suggests that the much-anticipated update is nearly here and users can expect to see it very soon. Get ready for some exciting changes. Additionally, there has been a recent screenshot circulating from Samsung's chat support, indicating that the company has already begun addressing the reported issue. It appears that Samsung is actively working on resolving the problem, bringing assurance that solutions are in progress. Some people who have the Samsung Galaxy S24 phone say that the camera isn't working well. A Samsung spokesperson said they're working on a fix for this. Users on Samsung's official forum in South Korea talked about blurry pictures and details from the S24's camera. A moderator on the forum said they'll fix this problem in an update soon. According to the moderator, in the case of the S24 camera photos compared to the previous version, the colors have been tuned to be more similar to those seen by the human eye and the 3-dimensional effect has been improved, but other than that, there have been no major changes. If you want a little more clarity, we recommend that you try activating optimal shooting for each scene in the intelligent optimization option in the camera settings. We will also analyze photos obtained through various channels and strive to always include corrections in future updates for matters deemed necessary. If you have photos that you think are problematic, it may be a bit inconvenient, but please send us the photos through the Send Error menu in Members and we will analyze them and respond. Recently, we saw a washout display issue. The vibrant color setting on the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't look as lively as it should. And now this green line issue. But in this case, we can return phone. What about washed out display issue? According to Samsung support, there is no fix for Galaxy S24 Ultra display. One of the user chat with the Samsung support. According to the user, just spoke to technical team. And they have confirmed Samsung has intentionally made the display look washed out and less vibrant. So for everyone waiting for a software update or patch to fix this, there won't be one. As we can see in the screenshot, according to Samsung support, Galaxy S24 series model has been adjusted colors and brightness for more accurate and comfortable vision while using. It has made some changes to the display technology to offer a more natural viewing experience, so you may notice differences in color depth when compared to other devices. This constant of behavior and the display is an intended color adjustment and is not a defect of the product, so you can use it with confidence. Samsung support says they've made changes to the display technology in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This might make the colors look different from older models, but it's not a problem with the phone. Samsung, being aware of hardware and firmware issues, claims that if you don't like the colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's no other option for you. According to another Galaxy S24 Ultra user, chat support don't know anything. I've directly spoken to developers team, and they said it's intended to look this way. They said the same on members app via error report and also through community app, so the washed out look will remain forever. As I said already, if you don't like the colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's no other option for you. Seriously, I'm confused what's going on with Samsung. Somewhere chat support says, our Samsung developer team is currently working now to fix this issue on your device. Rest assured that this coming software update will fix our problem on our Samsung Galaxy S24. Somewhere they are saying there's no fix for Galaxy S24 Ultra display. If you bought a new Galaxy S24 Ultra, share your experience below, with one person mentioning that their Galaxy S24 Ultra has this issue. The lines on the phone screen showed up when the person was watching YouTube and even during the boot screen. They contacted Samsung Care Plus, and even though Samsung agreed it was a problem from when the phone was made, they wouldn't give a new phone. Instead, they said the user should send the phone back and then buy a new one. But doing that meant the person would lose the discounts they got for pre-ordering. Samsung told them to complain to T-Mobile instead. Someone else on Reddit who owns a Galaxy S24 Ultra had the same problem. When they told Samsung about it, Samsung said it was a Verizon issue and wouldn't help. The first Verizon store they went to said it was the owner's fault. But when they went to another Verizon store, they were told that Verizon would try to avoid taking responsibility for fixing the problem under warranty. In the end, the person bought a new Galaxy S24 Ultra from Verizon and returned the one with a broken screen. The problem was that they originally got the defective phone by trading in their old one, and now they're worried that Verizon might not treat them fairly. All the other issues, including washout display issue and many others, will be fixed through the new update. On this matter, I told you already. According to the Samsung support, thank you for reporting this issue to us. We understand that this makes you uncomfortable and annoying since this device is new. No worries, our Samsung developer team is currently working now to fix this issue on your device. Rest assured that this coming software update will fix our problem on our Samsung Galaxy S24. Now many of the S24 Ultra users are curious to know when Samsung released this update. According to Samsung support, I understand that you want a time and date for this coming software update, but please, we need your patience on this matter. Rest assured that the developer team will work on this as soon as possible. For now, please keep your device connected to your Wi-Fi so that the automatic update can enter to your device software. The S24 series users are dealing with various bugs and problems beyond just screen issues. The upcoming update, scheduled for release this month, might come sooner than expected. The delay is because it's a substantial update, addressing multiple issues, making it take a bit more time. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.